Hello traders, welcome back to TradingLive Masters. This is Z Cheng here, one of the lecturers on trading.live. In this video, I'm going to share you a 15-minute trading strategy which is very simple just by using indicators. Before we start, I hope you can first press the like button, share it with your friends, and lastly, subscribe. Thank you so much for the support, and let's get started. Let's begin our 15-minute trading strategy. So to begin with a 15-minute trading strategy, of course, you need to trade it on a 15-minute time frame. So you can see on my screen, it's a 15-minute time frame which is stated here, and we have the GBP USD pair. Of course, you can choose whichever pair that you want, but right now I'm just taking GBP USD as an example. So as I said earlier on, this strategy will be based on indicators, right? Based on indicators. So what are the indicators? Let me show you. Firstly, the indicators are only available on TradingView. So you need to find it on TradingView. If you try to use MT4 or MT5, they are not available. So if you ask me, you want to trade that strategy, how to do it? You can find the entry on your TradingView. After analyzing on the chart, you can trade. You can enter a long trade or enter the sell trade on your MT4 or MT5. So firstly, we need to head to the indicator section in the TradingView. So the first indicator is the ATR step. So you can see ATR step. ATR step, another new adaptive moving average by logs. Choose this one. Press it and it's going to get applied on the chart. You can see there's some lines, there's some red line, there's some green line. That's totally normal. The next indicator will be super trend. It will be a super trend under technicals. Over here, you press it. So you can see there's something like an Ichimoku cloud on your screen right now. So how do we actually use this strategy? So we can see there are some alphabets here, S and L, right? So these are some alphabets. Okay, S and L. So these are the signals, all right? These are the signals to tell you to sell and also to long. So when these signals appear, that does not mean that we can immediately sell. For example, sell here, that does not mean that we can immediately sell. Look what happened. Price went down a bit, but reversed up and hit your stop loss. Okay, here is a long. Okay, here is a long but worked very well. So what are the confirmations? Very simple. If we spot a sell signal and the cloud is red color, it means that it's a good opportunity to sell. So for example, we can see there's a S signal here, tell you to sell. But what cloud are we in here? We are in the green cloud. So this is not suitable to sell. So let's look at another example. Okay, so we can see in this case, we have a sell signal. We would only take a sell once it's in the red cloud. But right here, we can see there's some profit made, but it went up to hit your break even after that. So we have a very good long signal here actually. We have a long signal here. And the what cloud is it? It's in green color. So you can combine with some price action, for example, candlesticks, and take a long trade. Look what happened. Price went up very aggressively. And we have a sell signal here. Here we have a sell signal here, and it's in a red cloud. If you took a sell here, then you would have either hit take profit or hit break even. So let's have a look at another example. So we can see there's a sell signal here as well, and it's in red cloud. So you can take a sell here, and here as well. Long signal is in a green cloud. So if you take a long here, you would have caught some profit as well. Same as here. Okay, same as here as well. So you can see this strategy is actually very simple. It's very simple for the beginners to play around, all right, to try out this strategy. Of course, it's always the best not to rely on indicators because I'm not an indicator trader as well. Indicator can just be an extra confirmation. The best is still using price action. So remember, always back test this strategy and forward test in the demo account before using your real money. Here comes to an end of this video. Remember to always backtest the strategy and forward test on a demo account before using your real money. And if you are interested to join my daily live streams, you can join me at trading.live, where I host daily live streams, I do analysis, I do educational topics there. Once again, I hope you have liked the video, shared with your friends, and lastly, subscribe. Thank you for the support, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye and trade safe.